Hi everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales. I simplified the language while keeping the information accurate and engaging. Imagine getting a small cut and using a bandage that does more than just cover the wound. Instead of simply protecting your skin, the bandage checks how the wound is healing and helps your body recover faster. This is the idea behind bio-wearable skin repair patches. Scientists in China are developing these smart patches by combining flexible electronics with medical science. These patches are still being researched, but they could change the future of wound care. A bio-wearable patch looks similar to a normal bandage, but it has tiny electronic parts inside it. These parts can monitor the wound and help the skin heal. A smart patch can check the temperature of the wound. It can measure moisture levels. It can watch how the wound is healing. It can send information to doctors or a smartphone. It can give tiny electrical signals that may support the body's natural healing process. It is like having a small medical device attached to your skin. China is investing heavily in medical technology, flexible electronics, and wearable devices. Scientists and engineers are working together to build smart medical products that are comfortable to wear and can improve patient care. Their goal is to make wound treatment faster, safer, and easier for both patients and doctors. Normal computer chips are hard and cannot bend, but our skin moves all the time when we walk, stretch, or move our arms. Researchers build the patch using soft and flexible materials such as medical-grade plastic, silicone, and special gels. These materials allow the patch to bend with the body without breaking. This makes it comfortable enough to wear for several days. Inside the patch are very small sensors. These sensors keep checking the condition of the wound. If the wound becomes too hot, it may be a sign of infection. If it becomes too dry or too wet, healing may slow down. Some sensors can even detect changes that may show inflammation. The sensors collect this information all day without removing the bandage. The patch also contains a very small electronic chip. Think of it as the brain of the patch. The chip receives information from the sensors and decides what to do next. It can read the sensor data, it can store information, it can control the electrical signals, it can send updates wirelessly. Even though it is very small, it can perform many important tasks while using very little power. One of the most interesting features of the patch is gentle electrical stimulation. Our skin naturally creates tiny electrical signals while healing. The smart patch produces very small electrical pulses that may help support this natural healing process. These electrical signals are extremely weak and are safe when used correctly in medical research. Scientists believe they may help skin cells move toward the wound and repair damaged tissue more efficiently. The patch does not heal the wound by itself. Instead, it helps the body do its own job better. Many smart patches can connect to smartphones or hospital computers using wireless technology like Bluetooth. This allows doctors to monitor the healing process without removing the bandage. The patch can send information such as wound temperature. It can send moisture level. It can send healing progress. It can send battery level. This makes it easier for doctors to notice problems early. Like any electronic device, the patch needs power. Most smart patches use very small batteries that are thin and lightweight. Some future designs may even create electricity from body heat or body movement, reducing the need for traditional batteries. The smart patch is a great example of electronics and biology working together. The electronics collect information and control the device. The body does the actual healing. Together, they create a smarter way to treat wounds. Although these patches are mainly designed for skin wounds, they could also help with many other medical problems in the future. Possible uses include burns, surgical wounds, diabetic foot ulcers, sports injuries, long-lasting skin wounds. Researchers believe smart patches could become common in hospitals over the next several years. The technology is exciting, but there are still challenges. Scientists must make sure the patches are safe, affordable, and reliable. They also need to protect patients' medical data and continue testing the technology before